Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Joji and I do makeup tutorials and makeup reviews here. So welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am finally trying a rare beauty product on my channel. Super exciting. And today I will be reviewing with you the newest blush that she just launched a few weeks ago. So this one is the Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush, and I have the shade Joy and Happy right here. So in this video, I'm going to be doing some swatches, of course, cheek demonstration, and a close-up look of the product. So if you are interested to see all of that, then just keep on watching. So here is the packaging of the product, as you see, and that is the shade right there. So let's open this up. This is in the shade Joy. I haven't actually opened this myself. And that is the case. Really pretty. And then let's open up the shade Happy at the same time. So that's how they look like. Okay, and now let's open the shade Joy. Oops, that's hard. Okay, so that is the shade Joy close-up look. It's so stunning. It's perfect. Oh my goodness. Okay, and now I'm gonna give you a swatch. Wow, that is so beautiful. Next up, I have the shade Happy. Oh, wow. That is so pretty as well. Let's swatch. And that is the swatch of Happy right here. Close-up look. Alright, now it's time to apply. Alright, you guys, I am super excited. The swatch looks really pretty. So I'm gonna be trying the shade Happy first on this side and see how it goes. I will use my favorite brush as usual. This is the EIGSHOW. You're probably tired of hearing it, but some of you are new here, so if you don't know, this is from NARS, and this is my favorite brush. Okay, let's dip into this one and see how it goes. So this is how much I put on my brush, and I put it here. Okay, and if you notice, I still have a lot of texture on this side of my face. I still have this rosacea or eczema going on my skin right now. It's getting better, but you probably notice it. Okay, I'm just gonna try to blend this. Okay, so I'm not sure if you see the color, but it's definitely there. And in this case, I need to build up a bit more. Okay, so third build up, and then just gonna apply it here. Okay, so that is the Happy. I don't know. I feel like I'm not seeing pigment. Like, I'm not sure it's just because of the color, but I'm gonna give it a little bit more of the build up. And I also am using a natural brush right here. So one more. So that's how much I put on my brush now. And then I'm just gonna dab it maybe. Okay, so now I can see a bit more of that color. Okay, I'm just really studying it properly because of the texture of my skin. I wanted to see if it does bring the texture a bit more than usual, and also the formula itself, because this is my first time actually applying it on. I didn't really open it. So far it's good. Like it's nice and soft, and the formulation is very kind of creamy, almost like a gelée type to me. And it's not like you know, like a hard press. Okay, so what do you guys think of the shade? That is definitely a pretty one, but I'm excited to see the shade Joy on this side. So now you can see on this side my face is a little bit better, so you're gonna see how the product sits on the skin if you have just like a minimal texture. This one is very texture on this side, so you probably can see it there. I just want to show you that close up. And I'm gonna be using a different brush, but this one is also from NARS. Okay, so that is the Joy over there, which is definitely pretty. I really like this one. And then I'm just gonna sort of build up. So when you pick up the product on the case, it has a little bit of kickback, so just be careful that you don't press too much because it's not hard press. Okay, so that is the shade Joy. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I actually really like that. So now I can see, okay, it's definitely a luminous one, but it's not like I just see a little bit of this like really micro kind of glitter. Like it's not like very fine. There's just this like micro. It's not super noticeable, but once you kind of look at it and really study it, there's just of those specks of glitter. Very micro though. It's not like crazy. And I am surprised that it actually does not accentuate all of the texture that I'm seeing on my skin. And the more it sits on the skin and the longer, I feel like it does kind of settles into the skin, and it makes it a little bit more luminous and softer. So that's what I'm noticing here. But overall, this is just the way how it is. I'm just gonna build up one more time with the Joy so you guys can see that. And I feel like the Joy is a lot more pigmented than the Happy. I just see it because when I applied it, it's right there. I can see it right away. I feel like throughout maybe the collection, the pigmentation, it's not the same, but overall the same kind of luminosity, if that makes sense. But this is the way how it looks like right now. So Happy and Joy. And if I were to choose what is my favorite color, of course, I'm gonna go with the Joy. It's just so nice. I feel like this pink one, I just had a hard time trying to see the color. You see how much buildup I have, but I'm gonna say with the formula, I like it enough that I would probably just finish this blush, but I'm not gonna repurchase it because I do have a hard time trying to see the pigment, and also I don't think I'm really gonna be using a luminous blush all the time in terms of like if you want that glow. We do have highlighters, we do have things that adding glow into our skin, or a cream product. But honestly, if you are going to be really picky, especially if you have a textured skin, I would not recommend it because this is supposed to be a luminous. So if you bring luminosity, if you bring any light onto those texture, it's going to accentuate, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. It's still a pretty good one. Although this shade right here though, it's so pretty if you have perfect skin. Oh my goodness, like I've seen people wear this. Actually, it's really nice. And if you have more of a dry skin, maybe not as well, I would opt into the actual cream that she has. Yeah, overall, that is just my thought about this collection. I really love the shade Joy, but I'm not wowing 100% with the product. It's just, you know, it's a cute one, it's a good shade, but not my kind of like wow. I'm not 100% happy with the way how it is. It's just that because of that specks of glitter, when it comes to looking at the collection and when it swatches, it's not showing, but once you put it on the skin, especially with the texture, I can really see that. I mean, I'm being picky, but yes, it's good that you guys know as well. So that is it from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.